Actually, I think I have the Monet inside the bathroom too that I just picked up, but this is really cheap. But it, you know, it'll be fine.
Well, that's the one I got you.
Yep, this is the one you got me.
An actual real painting.
Yep. I have lots.
Yeah, you do.
Cute.
Got an art gallery.
These are my Christmas ones, but should
I want to put
them up?
Christmas. No.
I just didn't
I would
know it'd be
save
nice
those.
to have them saved, nice spot, you know.
Yeah,
But that's fine.
I don't know.
Okay.
I would just pull them out for Christmas.
So we don't have that many to work
What
with.
about your big one over there?
Yeah.
Are you going to put that one up?
Yeah, this is lovely. Now you tell me if it's a print.
Yeah. Yeah,
Look how
because
they mounted it though.
it's a print.
They mounted it inside of that. So like this is, see how it's glued in there? Unless they glued it on top of that piece.
It looks like it's just flat. Like it's like a print. Yeah, it's a print of that. It's just, this is the whole thing is a print,
Okay.
I think.
Okay.
Like
yeah.
the matting
it
and
says
everything.
reproduction right down
Yeah.
here. But I mean, it would have been nice.
Because it would have been pastels. Is what it looks like they made it with.
Isn't it beautiful though?
Yeah, it's my
I think
colors.
it's so, oh, I know, it's beautiful.
The bright blues and greens.
Oh yeah, I know, but it actually looks really pretty in here too. Really pretty in here.
Yeah, for spring.
Yeah.
It's very springy. You want this to start?
Oh, that's pretty.
Do you want it over
I
more
would
this
say
way or
go
over more
that
this
way. Yeah, go as far over that way as we can get it.
What color do you like? Do you like this
Maybe
one?
right about there.
Or if you can find one.
We'd wake up slow on Saturday mornings.
Thing that I like to get is like
The little stick. Okay.
to keep them straight.
All right. Okay. I love it.
Hey, that's not four. Ugh, how do we get this
It's crooked,
all
but
good?
What way does it go?
it's got to go up on the right-hand corner.
Like that?
It's closer. That's pretty good. Oh, yes. Yes. Now, I think the other green one, what do you think? Maybe the other green one over this way a little bit?
This big one?
Yeah.
You got a nail?
Yeah. Whew. I don't know how this is not easy, guys. We don't. You get back. No, get back. Get back.
Gaga, I need help.
No, you need to go. We're trying to do something. Oh, that's got to go way higher. It's just got. Wait, can you get a stool? You put a stool.
A stool can make
skinny
it fall
stool?
down the stairs.
I have a stool. Hang on.
Very sturdy stool.
Yes, I have one.
Is it trying to hold it still?
Can you try to keep it far enough away? I don't like a
trying.
big. Yeah, I don't like a big gap.
Oh, you don't want a big gap?
I don't think so.
I didn't know if you wanted some smaller ones in between.
Well, I'll let you just figure it out, honey. We can add stuff.
Hopefully I got it up high enough. That's as much as I can reach. Probably should have had somebody take it for you.
Oh yeah, you got it. Okay. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. I mean, we can add little ones to the top too. If I
To
can
the
ever
top.
get something to.
That one's got some texture too. Oh, it's still a print.
It's a print, yeah. I mean, we're talking Salvation Army for $4
Yeah.
tops.
I'm surprised they had them so cheap.
And then this one, see if there's a date. This doesn't say, just says cotton in the woods. This one here was a 1942.
See, I definitely would have grabbed that one for myself.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I don't know. Someday you'll get it.
Yeah, right.
Someday it can be yours. Okay, so we can either go up with this, or we'll never be able to get up any higher. So we have to decide if we want to keep going lower with these pretty ones.
Mm-hmm.
And then once we can get a ladder.
You kind of need to keep your colors,
Colors separated.
or just
See, that's why I wanted this one over that way. Or should we go right up here?
I guess I'd keep them in your stairwell for right now. I think.
Okay.
I mean, it looks good underneath that one.
Does it?
Unless
Well, let's see
you have
what else we
anything else. You have like this, which could be pretty too.
Yeah, that is pretty. I like that.
Because this has got the blues and the greens and the.
Is this one? Old houses. I think this is too boring.
A little
I think
small.
I kind of want to bring more color to that area. Where is he? Okay, he's over there. Oh yeah, I love this picture. Let's see what he sees this. I think it
Looks pretty.
you like that one, Anna? I thought it kind of clashed. Let me try one other picture.
That one's so faint, like so.
Too fancy?
I don't know if it fits your other.
What time did that somebody put on?
Well, he
That
can go
one just-
lower then.
Like your art's so
It's raining.
older looking.
Yeah, I know.
This one looks more traditional, I guess.
Yeah, I painted this one. I don't know if I really care for this color.
It's cute.
I like the bird.
The shape's not right though, but
Yeah, I wanted to like maybe put a different paint in it.
oh,
Okay, so what are you thinking? Let's see, here's a Monet.
I think you need something like
ones.
bigger.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if you're gonna like those colors. It might be a little too
Oh, I love
limey.
Just gonna get a different color.
Oh, I like that there.
It's
I like
pretty.
that there. And it should go here with another picture or right in the middle, underneath.
You can do either.
Huh?
You can do either, I guess.
Okay. I think we should make it so that maybe a smaller
What was the
goes in
first one that
between.
you did? Because I kind of liked that first one. That was a little moodier,
It was this
more
one.
muted.
This one. This one.
Please help me.
That was the first one?
Okay, so you like this one then. And then if we do something in the middle.
This one wasn't bad either, like a muted one. Since that one above is so bright.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that one.
Okay, well, I'll do it. Let's
Kind
do
of
it.
ties in, it kind of ties the two
Yeah. Gotcha.
colors in.
All right. So now we have to decide if we want to put another little one in between. Right?
Like a tall, like a vertical one or
I mean, I have a
something.
little one like this. Or I have this one. Oh, I always like this one though too. This colorful
I think you need
one.
like a
That
vertical.
one needs to go.
Yeah, that's cute.
I know. I always like that. No, I can't do it right now, honey. This one maybe should go along with this one to keep those colors going.
Yeah, this one looked good up there too.
Yeah, I did. I like that one too.
But yeah, maybe like a smaller one since you have two big ones right now.
Okay.
Maybe don't do another huge one right at this minute.
So like, maybe if I had something going like this way, is what you're thinking?
I always try to like line up the edges in a way.
Like this way?
No, like vertically.
Let's go find some stories in dusty shops tucked everywhere. Old wood floors and silver teacups, porcelain smiles on every shelf. But I never cared what we picked up. I just love being there myself. You'd hold up a frame and laugh, it's you. And somehow we'd both be right. We were hopping from shop to shop with time we thought would never stop.
Oh, we won't be able to go very high, honey. That's probably all the higher we'll be able to go.
I don't like the wood quite
Okay.
yet. It's a little too dominant. Maybe something like this. Yeah, maybe either on the other side of the tall one
Uh-huh.
to kind of go with the first one that we hung.
Like right here.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. All right, well that won't be hard. We just need both of us up here. Usually what we can do is you put something big there and you put a board. is how we do it too. We just need to go. Can we just go one? If we can do one more further, we might. There's a, oh yeah, here.
What kind of mold would you like? Sweet spaghetti.
Don't drop your camera on my head.
Wait.
You think you can reach, honey?
Whoa! This is crazy. I guess
Are
I
you
put
on
out
the
a little
stool?
too much
Okay, do you think that you could go one step lower?
What do you mean? You want to hide?
That's fine. Yeah, and high as you can get it.
I made it too close.
All right, you know what? If we get them where we like them, I can always move
And-
everything.
Except you want to go,
Yeah, I
okay?
kind of like that distance. I mean, we can still stagger it. Too bad we couldn't have put that on top.
Mm-hmm.
What, like right here?
You want two light mats next to each other?
No. Oh, this one right here.
I feel like it needs to go on the other side of that big painting. Or maybe below it. Like that. Like centered, I guess. That's cute.
Okay.
Could ever be worth what you gave me? Those days with you were golden, Mom. More than any treasure could be. Through crowded aisles and ringing bells, we'd lose ourselves, and other times you'd point and say that story tells of lives we'll never.
Something on that wall.
Yeah. You know, I always like this. I can do the picture in the frame in something different. I just feel like this is
I mean, I like
cute.
the frame. It's really cute. That looks like my house.
Yeah, does it? I mean, I'm willing to. You want to borrow it? That one there?
It's cute.
Okay. Well, let's
I just don't know about the
dark.
dark frame now.
I mean, I can get and put a different.
It's like you almost need more muted. This is more of like a this is more of like a shelf sitter type
Yeah.
of a size.
There's my dogs. I mean, I got my oval picture, but I don't know if this even kind of. I don't know. That doesn't look like me neither. Oh, I got my boats.
Throw some black in.
I mean, I don't. What we can do is we don't like the black. I can get rid of my black. They could go green. Oh, this one I really like. This one.
I mean, I like the black, but
Yeah. Well, everybody can use a black, right?
I guess that wouldn't be bad if you did. It would need to be like balanced. I feel like if you did a black there, it would need like
Yeah.
a black over
Should I
there.
do
Or
a
something.
small black one here?
See the worth in broken things and hidden gems, but the greatest thing you ever showed was love in all those moments spent. We were hopping from shop to shop with time we thought would never stop, finding pieces of yesterday while making our own along the way. You'd say, buy it, don't let it go, and I'd just smile and say again. Now I'd give every road we drove just to sit beside you then.
So this underneath, maybe that down there, or down here.
Going down. Through.
I mean, you don't
That one's.
have-
It just doesn't.
It's just not. I
think it's
this
just-
was maybe a different color. This I used to have him in a green frame.
Yeah, maybe.
Let's try this one. I love this picture. I love it. You sure that shouldn't go right there?
Could.
Because I just feel it's beautiful.
I need another.
Just smile and say again. Now I'd give every road we drove just to sit beside you then. 'Cause nothing we found in those old stores could ever be worth what you gave me. Those days with you were golden, Mom, more than any treasure could be.
Don't worry about it, I'm gonna have some.
Is that there for something different?
Oh,
I mean, I can change this one out for green and say yellow.
Here's some green and here's black.
Oh, actually, I guess I have 3 I can put up.
Oh, nice.
It makes them
Yeah.
together.
Okay, I'll let you decide what.
We were hopping from shop to shop, with time we thought would never stop, finding pieces of yesterday while making our own memories along the way. You'd say, buy it, don't let it go, and I'd just smile and say, okay. Now I'd give every little thing I own for just one more of those Saturdays. 'Cause nothing we found in those old stores could ever be worth what you gave me. Those days with you were priceless, Mom, more than any treasure could be.